Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my first lesson of D2, chapter number 9, that is about geometrical transformations. Before going to the lesson, there are some key terms that we have to understand. That what is the meaning of word object or pre-image? A shape with which we start is called the object or pre-image. What is image? Image, the transformed shape is called the image. And what is transformation? It's the process which involves moving an object from its original position to the new position. Object in the new position is called the image. These are really important points that you have to understand, that when the question is saying about the object, it means it's the actual shape, original shape, which has not undergone through any transformation or change. Let's move to the types of transformation. In this lesson, I will talk about the isometric transformations, which are reflection, translation, and rotation. What is reflection? Reflection is defined through the object and the mirror line. Flipping of an object across the line without changing its size or shape is reflection. What is the isometric transformation? Under isometric transformation, the size of image is same as the original object. Original object and the image are congruent, that their lengths and their angles remain same. No change in the size and angle of object and image under isometric transformations. Now let's come to the rules of reflection, that how to reflect the object. For the reflection, there are some standard mirrors like reflection in x-axis. When we see the reflection of object in x-axis, means I have to reflect the object along this mirror line. Obviously the image will be across this mirror, and what will happen, that my x value will remain same but y will change its position. So the image of this object A in x-axis will be a dash 1 and minus 2, 1 and minus 2. So what is happening in this case, that my x coordinate remains fixed, but change is coming in which coordinate? Y coordinate. So we can make a rule that for reflection in x-axis, change sign of y coordinate, that if the object is PQ, under reflection in x-axis, its image will be P and minus Q. Now coming to the third type of line, that is reflection in y is equal to x. For the reflection in y is equal to x, what is the rule? That we have to switch over the coordinates, that PQ will become Q and P. In this case, you can see after plotting the object, you have to complete the right triangle on one side of the mirror, and then you have to complete the reflection of that right triangle on the other side of the mirror. On the opposite corner of this point, you will find the image, that will be the flipping of objects. And coming to the reflection y is equal to minus x, again what we have to do, that y is equal to minus x is the line that passes through the origin, but it will be in the second and fourth quadrant, and the reflection of the point PQ will be minus Q minus P, that we have to switch over the coordinates, and then we have to change the signs of their coordinates as well. I hope you are clear about the rules of reflection. You have to please keep these all rules in your mind for the better understanding of the exercise. Please like my lessons and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.